Watching my channel. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Hello lovely people! Time now is 12 noon and we are going to meet full-time mom in Denmark. I will link somewhere her YouTube channel. And yes, we talked about meeting and see you around. Bye! Naanad na siya sa atong culture. Kuha na siya kaning 𝓁𝒾𝓃𝑒. Hi guys! Pagbabay sis. Ayan, puro may vlog. Collab lang kami. Ayan. Saka na to ma-upload pag may time kami kasi nga full-time mom. Full-time mom. Ang ganda dito guys. Ayan, galing kami doon. Yung anak ni...
So ngayon, pauwi na kami.
Uwi na kami. Ayan si Gabi. Hello, Gabi! Gabi, say hi! Hi! Hello! Hi! Gabi! Ano siya yung ngalan sis? Gabriela? Kevin! Kevin, say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Kevin! Hi! Dili sa yun maglaag kung na yung mga kids kay pwerte ka kuan na bibo. Hi! Nakaabot namin din gikan sa kuan. Si Lucas natulog manong diri na lang mi nagtambay-tambay. No, magsago lang akong vlog usahay. Bisaya, Tagalog, English. Alright you guys, we are going home. It was a great fun meeting full-time mom in Denmark. And we are both, oh my god, my lenses. We are both tired. Lucas had a nap. At nag-enjoy po kami. Salamat Sisi sa pag-imbita sa amin. And nice lunch as well. And great bonding. At binigyan po niya ako ng sapatos guys. It's in here! shoes, running shoes. Salamat, Sisi! And see you guys for my next vlog. Bye-bye! Our dinner. Biscuits, strawberries, cheese, and drinks.
Oh, he's eating yogurt.
Hello guys, we're having a celebration here, mini celebration, our dinner. It's our last day here in Albeak Summer House. Salamat po sa nagpahiram sa house na po ito. Ang ganda-ganda po. It's our second time here and we're having dinner prepared by Espen. Yes.
Hello.
Thank you. Alright guys, we are going home and we really had a great time in this summer house. It's our second time to be here in Albeak summer house. We're lucky that we had a chance to stay in their summer house for free. And we are going back to Obibro, Esben's sister, and we'll stay there for 3 days. And see you guys for my next vlog. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.